Hola, mi bitches. Tis I, Chlois, aka Mini Bitch, and today we are doing some press on nails. Now, clearly you'll be able to tell from the thumbnail and title of this video what these are. But this is not what I intended to do at all. So I was trying. Let me just tell you what I'm doing first. So I have this Belle Epoque. I don't even know how to say that. Not gonna try. Color, which is that nude color, and I'm trying to make it more jelly sheer color. It's from Madame Glam, and I'm just trying to make it more jelly sheer because I was trying to do a French tip situation, which I'll get more into here in a second, and why it did not work out. So I'm going to go in with this on my jelly tips. I already have them all sized out and everything. These are the Beatles jelly tips, and you are not going to see me apply them today in this video. I'm just going to show you how I made them. I haven't worn them yet, but I want to do this video while it's still popular, and a trend. But yeah, I haven't put them on yet because I can't do these long nails at the moment with everything going on. So, anywho, I am just applying this. I know it got darker. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. There was so things going on here. The jelliness was wearing off, and some of the other color was coming through from the brush because I decided to use the brush from the actual color. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It's fine. Sorry if you hear my baby in the background. I say baby, he's 4, but he's my baby. So, anyways, he's in the living room playing. So that was. Now I'm gonna add the sparkle. I needed sparkle. I wanted sparkle. I didn't need sparkle. And this is from Red Carpet. I've had this gel polish for ever, and it doesn't even have a name on it. I don't think it just numbers. So oh, it's called Grace and Lace. Just kidding. Grace and Lace is the name of this glitter. I did have to screw the lid back on it a couple of times to fully get the glitter because it kind of settled at the bottom. So as I was going, the glitter was kind of fading out. So to get more, I had to re-screw the lid back on and everything. So I cured that again. And now I'm going in with this jelly top from Revel Nail. For no other reason than I have it to use it. I don't want to waste it, but I've had it for a year now and I just need to use it. So that's what I used to go in. So I went ahead and capped that because I was going to go in with matte black flames. Yes, you heard me correct. I was going to do matte black flames, and we ended up with Barbie. So, yeah, I'm just as confused as y'all. I don't know what happened, but I know that I tried the black flame situation, didn't like how it was looking, wiped it off, and was just, I don't know where in my mindset I said, oh, let's do Barbie instead. But here we are. So I used a white acrylic paint pen, and I just scribbled on this, as you see. And just because I wanted a background for the Barbie. And now I'm going to actually try and spell out Barbie on my nails, hopefully somewhat decently. It's not going to be great, but you know what was really good that I was surprised by? This bee. This bee came out exquisite, okay? And the rest was a little meh. I actually did have to do this twice because I'm the cursive lettering wasn't looking too hot, so I tried, but for starters I made it too small, so it didn't look right. So y'all will see the mess that was. Yeah, see, it's too small. It don't look right. So I'm gonna take some alcohol and wipe it off, avoiding the bee. That bee was staying because it looked good and I did not want to have to redo it. So, of course, some of my acrylic paint pen situation came off. I just redid that. And I actually liked that it had this like little bit of situation like missing in the middle, because it kind of gave me an idea of like where I needed these letters to kind of like head in that direction, you know, and like go. So this took forever. I'm not even going to sugarcoat that. I know it looks like, oh, I know what I'm doing, but let me tell you, this is like 3 or 4 times sped up, because I was really trying to take my time and do this, and it still looks a little funky. But man, I'm proud of that bee, okay? That bee was rocking, and on my first try, I was so proud of myself. And so because I had a little bit of white left, I'm going to add a little heart after Barbie. And we will be returning to this nail momentarily. So I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. This is just, I made the pink. You see me mix it. It's just this gel paint that I got off of Amazon. Whenever I use it, it is linked in the description box, and it is also in my storefront. So, under nail art. So now with this yellow, I'm just making circles on what would be my middle fingernail, and we're going to make flowers, but I'm going to cure in between each step. So I'm going to cure those circles, and now I'm going in with that same pink that we used for Barbie. And I'm just making dots. So these flowers are more like, not like realistic flowers, you know, more like cartoony Barbie flowers, I guess. So I'm just putting on 3 pink petals spread out, because I'm going to add a blue in there. So I did that, and we cured the pink, and then we're going in with the blue. So you see I already have the one done, so that's what we're going for. And it's fine if these like overlap. I was just, you know, we're just getting the blue in there, rounding it out. Like I'm trying to make sure that the petals just stay more round and more of that like Barbie-esque type look. And we are going to be coming back to this nail also after I cure this again. Curing in between each step on these nails. And this one. Oh, this one. I just had to go for this, you guys, because I tried practice drawing this out a few times when I was like thinking about doing Barbie nails and never ended up doing them. And I'm glad that I just went for it. So I drew a straight line down the center of my nail, and then I'm making a circle about 1/2 to 3/4 of that line through. And then we're creating her little like bangs here at the top. And then I'm going to start her ponytail. And this is the Barbie silhouette. So I'm starting her ponytail, making sure we got that high curve volume situation, and then making sure that it curves back out at the bottom. And then I'm going to be adding more gel polish as we go in that like upper area for her volume, because she's got a very voluminous ponytail. And just making sure that her ponytail essentially looks good. Just adding to that. Then we're going to fill in her face. And so that's just the circular area that we're going to be doing. I'm going to try and do like some thin little like right there for her nose and mouth, but that was probably the hardest part, and I didn't want to focus too much on it and make it even worse. And then we're just spreading out from the bottom for her neck, just making little curve lines going outwards and then connecting it in the center. And yeah, that's that. I'm just filling in, making sure everything's smooth and even. I will say that the like nose and mouth situation, trying to get that like, I want to say perfect because I was trying, but it just wasn't working. So, and I didn't want to like go in too hard. So when in doubt, what do? You add glitter. So that's what we're going to do. I have some reflective gel liner polish, also from Amazon, and I am using this to just go over. Now this is a little bit hotter pink than I expected it, so because I didn't want just one random hot pink nail, I am going to be adding this sporadically, like throughout the rest of the mani, so that the pinks kind of like correlate more or less, you know. So I'm just taking this over the whole silhouette of her, and we are going to cure this as well, and then I'm going to add this just on my heart and on my dot above the eye on my thumbnail, just to kind of, like I said, mesh all the pinks together. And then I'm only going to add it to one of the flowers that are pink. So just this one. The other one will stay just plain, no glitter. And this way we'll have like 2 tones of pink going on, but everything kind of just like sits well together, I guess. And again, curing these as we go along. And then for my ring finger, I actually think because my ring finger and my index finger are the same size, I'm going to switch these two around when I actually apply them. And anyways, this is going to be the sun. So I'm just creating a straight line and then a half circle shape around it, going to connect it and fill it in. And then I am going to take a liner brush and like just smooth out the edges of it, because I'm using my dotting tool to pick up more product right now, but I want it to be smoother, and I'm going to be able to like perfect the outer edge of that with my liner brush. So that's what I'm doing here, just smoothing that out. And then I'm going to go in with my dotting tool again so that I can get thicker lines for the rays on the sun. And I am just going around the sun, adding these lines. And I'm even going as it like starts to be where you think I can't draw dots anymore. I'm still adding little dots to make it look like they're going off the nail. And on a couple of them, I just needed to like thin the product out. And we cured that. And now I'm taking another color of that reflective glitter, which is in gold, and I'm adding this to the rays of the sun. Just the rays, nowhere else. Because we can't have just like no glitter nowhere, right? We needed some glitter. And on my pinky, we are doing palm trees. So this is kind of giving like the Malibu side of Barbie vibe. So we're doing palm trees. I am trying to make it thinner at the top, thicker at the bottom for the tree trunk. And then we are going to I'm making a small tree too. I made one longer tree, one smaller tree. Longer, bigger, whatever. Anywho, got my tree trunks down. Now we're just going to pull from the middle of our tree at the top outwards some lines, and these are going to be the start of our branches. And then from here we are going to like feather out some leaves. Now this could have been a lot better. I will be the first one to admit that. This is my first time drawing a palm tree on my nail, okay? I was glad that it went this good. So anywho, I'm just trying to create little like strokey looking leaves for the palm tree. Okay, so I'm trying to find that like happy medium of product on my brush and just add and go along. And I was trying to just go with the flow. If I thought like it didn't look good or whatever, just try and correct it there. I didn't want to have to wipe everything off and start all over again. So we were just, again, going with the flow. Happy mistakes were probably made. I decided I needed to add another branch there, so I did. And yeah, that is my palm tree. And I'm going to do the other one off camera. We're going to cure this, and then, you guessed it, we're going to add some glitter to it. So, we totally just go with the vibe on the palm tree for like legit. So this reflective glitter is in silver, and I'm only adding this one to the bigger tree, just on the trunk and right in the center. I don't know why I didn't feel like the whole tree needed to be reflective. Oh, and I added it to the small tree too on the trunk. And we cured that, and that is the nail set. I am top coping. Oh, I'm coping, all right. We're top coating with the Revel nail again, gel polish. Again, I have it. I need to use it, so here we are. I am capping the free edge, and then we're going to cure for a full 60 seconds. And I will give y'all the, like, reflective gel camera situation so you can see that. And then you'll just see pictures of the nails at the end with those things. Again, I haven't put these on yet, but I do have every intention of wearing them. I just can't right now because we got the whole packing situation going on and everything, and our stuff gets moved on the 22nd, and we're just trying to get through that situation. So yeah, this is my Barbie nails. Tell me what y'all think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Again, my videos are going to be more spread out from here on out until like the middle of September, beginning of August, every 5th day, every 5 days. So August 5th, next one will be August 10th, August 15th, August 20th, so on and so forth. So I will catch y'all then. Be sure to keep an eye out for me. And yeah, how do I close my videos? I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, bitches.